Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can connect Spotify to your TikTok account. So if you want to add your favorite tracks to your TikTok experience, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you how you can link your Spotify account to TikTok. And here I've already opened the TikTok applications. Let's just start. You can just go to your profile by clicking on the profile button in here at the bottom and tap on this three lines icon at the top right corner and go to the settings and privacy. And you can just scroll down until you find the content and display section and you'll see the music option. So just tap on music. Here you can just click on this add to music app, just tap on link, and here you can choose one music app as your default to add songs from TikTok. You can just tap on the Spotify icon in here, and now you can just click on agree. So by agreeing, you can you that means you allow Spotify to connect to TikTok, and Spotify and TikTok will be able to view your Spotify account data such as username, profile pictures, and others, and also take action in Spotify on your behalf, such as add and remove items in your library. You can just tap on agree, and in here you are successfully linking your TikTok to Spotify. Now you can add songs to your playlist. So you can just find the plus Spotify button on the sound detail page to add more songs. Here, let's just click on get it. You can see now it says link. So let's see what it can do. Let's find the sound. Well, let's just restart the TikTok first. Okay, let's reopen the TikTok application and let's hit on the sound. In here, let's not on the Spotify, let's see the one that's available on Spotify. Okay, let's hit on this one. For example, you can see on the sound page here, you can see the options add to Spotify. So you can just tap on this and the songs will be added to your library in the like song folder. So that's pretty much all. That sums up on how you can boost your Spotify music by adding TikTok songs to your Spotify. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. So please give me a like, leave a comment, and also click on the thanks. Bye.